Happy holidays, everyone. If you're new here to this channel, my name is Casey, or the Real Housewife of Nebraska. My channel is fairly new, so I would really appreciate it if you went down below, hit the subscribe button and the bell, and join this YouTube family. As I mentioned, my channel is fairly young. Until recently, I was a TV news anchoring reporter, but now I'm a stay-at-home mom and a vlogger, or a wannabe vlogger. Well, that's enough about that. On to our family advent calendar. You see advent calendars all over the place these days, from a chocolate a day to a pair of socks a day. But I wanted something different for my family. I wanted it to be about experiences, not stuff. I guess you can call me a millennial after all, right? So here is our family advent calendar planning session. Can you say what your name is?
Evie. Camille.
So what kind of ideas do you guys have for the 25 days of Christmas?
Snowman challenge. With Daddy.
With Daddy?
Cookies. That's my Christmas cookie.
Evie, what kind of fun Christmas things would you like to do?
Snowman.
Snowman, you think that would be a good idea?
No.
How about going and looking at Christmas lights?
Yeah.
At nighttime?
Yeah. I've been making a list, and here's some stuff that's on there.
I like the give back one. The give back is a good idea.
Give back. Go look at Christmas. That's at Christmas lights and nighttime.
So, Evie, were you just singing Christmas songs?
Yes.
Maybe we could sing Christmas
Christmas tea. Oh, Christmas tea. Oh, Christmas tea.
So
You're
maybe we could
a
sing Christmas
mean
songs. Mr. Grinch. So one time we could sing Christmas songs, right?
Yeah, like, do you think we should do this? Go to people's doors and knock on theirs and say songs?
Maybe.
On
We could go Christmas caroling?
What about strangers' doors?
Maybe.
A Christmas dance party and a Christmas school party. And my mommy is going to help with it.
What other good ideas?
Stockings!
Stockings? Do something with the stockings.
Christmas trees.
Christmas trees.
Apple juice.
Apple juice. So this ended up being a lot harder than I thought, huh? But we went to some Pinterest for some inspiration, and then that was easy. Here's a look at some of the pins we looked at. So we finally did finalize our list. Here's a look at our 25 days we decided on. Sing Christmas carols at the nursing home, cut out paper snowflakes, play Christmas bingo as a family, make Christmas cookies, give back in some way, make Christmas ornaments, read the Christmas story under the Christmas tree and by the fireplace, Winterfest, which is a festival here in town. There's also a live nativity that I'm looking forward to. Watch Christmas movies together as a family, write letters to Santa, wear Christmas shirts, and take funny family pictures. Yeah, you're good at that one already, aren't you?
Yeah, because I'm wearing pajamas and I'm looking funny.
There you go. Knock one off the list. String popcorn garland and put it on a tree outside. I think that'll be fun. Camille has a school party along with a party at her dance class. We're going to go to the Frozen movie, which we haven't done yet. Write thank you letters to people, which will hopefully teach you guys to be thankful, right? And then we are going to...
That's what Thanksgiving's all about.
Yep, that is what Thanksgiving and Christmas and all year round you should be thankful. Maybe we'll have a Christmas party here, hopefully. Make a holiday greeting video and send it to friends and family. Make your teacher a gift. Make a paper garland. go look at Christmas lights in the dark as a family, bake cookies for Santa, and then of course on Christmas Eve and Christmas Day we have a lot of family activities that we're going to do.
Yeah.
What are you most excited about, Camille?
Christmas.
Christmas Day? Yeah, that'll be fun. It's always fun to spend time with family.
What are you excited about?
I don't know. I've never really sang carols with you guys, and I'm not a good singer, so I'm kind of scared for that, and I'm also kind of excited. I'm not a good singer, so you're going to have to help me out, right? Do you think we can drink? Do you think Daddy will come along? Hopefully Daddy will come along. Yeah. Let's hear your song.
A, B, C, D.
That's not a Christmas song. How about Go Tell It on the Mountain?
Go tell it on the mountain. No, not
Over the hills and everywhere, go tell it on the mountain.
They sing it different way.
Oh,
So
okay.
that this one. Now get to sing with me. I'm
Okay.
very pretty.
Okay.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh. Hey.
There you go. You're ready to sing at the nursing home, right? We will be posting our Advent adventures on my Instagram page. You can follow along at Kawonn, that is Cawonn. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I hope it gave you some holiday spirit and some ideas as well. I would really appreciate it if you went down below and supported us. Hit the subscribe button. Thanks again, and Merry Christmas, everyone.